Welcome all to yet another episode of Luis el Apóstol Feliz. Today I have two items to show you guys. Now, unfortunately, no diecast, but, I ain't gonna die if I don't have a diecast review for you guys. But feast your eyes on this. Well, before I show you guys that, get a look at this tie. Reaction, Kenneth Cole. And it's in hot pink. It is in hot pink, as you guys can see. So we're gonna take a look at it. We're gonna unbox it together. So first of all, take that out. We don't need that. We don't need all the inner bits and bobs. Okay, so we're gonna. Well, there we go. The struggle is hard, and so we're gonna take this out. I'm gonna put that jaw, right jaw. Oh. Ooh. There we go. And look at that tie. Very long, very amazing. I like the style though. I have blues and grays. I have blue, I have gray, I have burgundy, I have black. And so I had to get another color besides blue, gray, and black and burgundy. So just to add a little variety to my collection. So that one goes right there. Now get a look at this. We saw this at my local Ross. Don't mind the price tag, y'all. But looks super sweet. 38 watt wall charger. So look at that with dual USB-A and USB-C ports. Yeah. Obviously, this is not branded. But looks super cool. Looks pretty cool. So you just look at it. So look at that. If you look at that thing right here, you should have that to take a look at. And does come with something there. I don't know. And so you guys can pause right there. You guys can freeze this screen right here if you guys want. And yeah. So top. So we're gonna unbox it together. So we're gonna other fundamentals. So the box goes away. And this comes in and that blister goes away. So I had to get one of these, even though I didn't need it, but doesn't take too much doesn't take a whole lot to get a little USB port, wall charger. Looks super cool. You guys can pause right there. blank sides. I would have liked it to say if it's for Google Pixel or Samsung, or it's just a generic, wall charger. It's nothing to write home about, but man, it looks good. Perfect to plug in my Google Pixel 7a. I'm gonna test it out. And there's right here a spot to hold someone's iPhone. If y'all are iPhone users. So yeah. Simple haul. Just two things. Got a fancy tie for church. Got a tie for church, and I got this. So yeah, that about does it for this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, share, and subscribe. And hope you guys really enjoy this video. Luis el Apóstol Feliz. Peace.